Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to create a second Google account. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet, and then open your Google applications. And if you wanna make another Google account, you just have to go to the Google account creation page. I'm gonna tap on this icon first at the top right in the corner, and we'll see here in a row. Just tap on it, and after tap on this add another account here guys. And then in this page, go to Google options. Now just tap on this create account, and then select the type of account that you want to make here guys, for personal account or for the business. But here I'm pretty used to personal account. And then you just have to entering your name here for the first name or for the surname. And for the surname, it's optional, yeah guys, you can enter it or not. But here I'm gonna use my first name only. And now tap on the next button. And after, you just have to enter in your birthday and gender. For the gender, I prefer use the rather not say, and now tap on the next button. It's similar as you create a new Google account, yeah guys. Here I'm gonna create my Gmail address first. Now tap on the next. Now entering your password for your Google account, and now tap on the next button again. And yeah, you can save for the password, yeah guys, on Google, but here I'm choose the never one. I'm not going to save it, and this is my second Google account. Tap on the next for the next step, and for the privacy and terms, I'm gonna tap on I agree. You just have to read it first. So yeah, I think it's enough for me, a tutorial how to create a second Google account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.